To adjust the volume levels on Samsung Galaxy A05, we have a few different options. So first one is to simply click on volume up or volume down key to increase or decrease your volume. Those buttons are located right here. And now let me show you the other way in case those buttons won't work on your device. And firstly, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll down and look for accessibility. Right here, we should be able to find the advanced settings, and there's accessibility button that we need to activate. So when you click on select actions, we need to find the assistant menu and allow all of the permissions. So right now, when we press on this button right here that we've just added, we can click on it, and then there's the volume, and you can adjust the volume on your phone using a slider right here instead of the buttons.